Hey, welcome back to the Purpose Planning Challenge. We'll call this part 1E because I want to go really slow with this challenge to ensure that you guys pick up all of the steps and you kind of take your time throughout the planning process. We have a tendency as humans to want to rush so quickly to the end that we miss steps, and when we miss steps, we actually set up ourselves for self-sabotage in the process. So, in part 1E, what we're going to talk about is getting the end in mind and having the clear vision to begin the planning process. So the first thing I said is that you need to clear your mind because you can't be cluttered to enter the planning process. So what I like to do is I like to find a space that helps me to create. You're not creative in all environments. So if you know that your house is not the best place or your bedroom is not the best place, maybe you need to switch it up and change your environment so that you can be the best place that is a creative space for your mind to be clear. Some of the things that you may want to consider doing is playing music if that relaxes you, or sitting by the water, being around nature. You may want to consider either doing it late at night when everyone is asleep or early in the morning when you can be fresh. You have to know what is the best time for you in planning, but I would suggest that you don't try planning while sitting at your desk at work. I would suggest that you don't try planning while watching television. I would suggest that you really clear your mind and you take a dedicated time to sit and plan. We're actually doing this challenge at a perfect date because we can plan for the month ahead. And if you're watching this challenge anytime after we've launched, you could actually begin planning for the upcoming month. So what I want you to do on day one is I want you to focus on the 3 areas. That's right, I said 3 areas. What are the 3 main areas in your life that you want to conquer or you want to see some movement, some success, some achievement in your life? So let's give an example. What I don't want you to do. I don't want you to tell me, I want to lose weight, I want to make more money, and I want to get a promotion on my job. That's not the kind of goals that we're talking about. We're talking about getting real specific. So your goal should look like, I want to lose 10 to 20 pounds. I want to make $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. I want to set up myself for promotion on my job, or moving to a new job, or I want to go to X position. The reason why I want you to be specific is because the more specific you are with your goals, the more success and the higher the chance of you actually attaining that goal at the end of the month. So I want you to start with a preview and a projection. The preview is where you are right now. So if we're using our example with the weight loss, the money, and the job, what we're going to do is preview. I currently weigh 200 pounds. My business is currently making $500 and my current position is X. That's the preview. That's where we are at the end of this month. We are now going into the new month and we're going into projection. So at the end of the new month, where do I want to be? So I want to be at 180 pounds. I want to make $1,500 and I want to apply for a promotion on my job or a new job. Those are measurable things. And that's the 3 main goals that we're starting with. For your life, you need to know the area of priority and you need to see which areas need your attention right now. Every month, in the way I teach goal setting, every month you should really have a new focus or you should build on the current focus. So you're not setting a million goals and you're not all over the place with your goals. You're setting goals in the order of priority of what you need to achieve right now. Which is why I said in day 1, get clear. Get clear of what you want to see happen at the end of that particular month. It's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy. So you start with your preview because you need to know where you are right now. Then you go on to your projection because you need to know where you want to be at the end of that month. This is all I want you to do for day 1. I don't want you to speed ahead. I want you to get clear in your mind for the upcoming month. What are the things and the areas you want to focus on? What do you want to achieve? And I want you to write specifically preview and projections where you are right now and where you need to be at the end of the month. You can come back in this group, give me the feedback, tell me how the challenge is going. I mean, add some friends. If you think that you have some friends in your network that can appreciate this challenge and the learning that we are doing in terms of planning purposefully, please, by all means, share the challenge with them. And I'll see you for day 2 of the Purpose Planning Challenge. See you on day 2. Bye-bye.